a number line. And I start at 0. And I put in a 1. I put in a 2. And then I put in a 3, and a 4, and a 5. Does that number look right? Does that number line look right?
No.
Why not?
Yes.
Bella?
Yes. But they're counting by one.
Everybody should be silently listening to Bella.
It doesn't look right because usually, no, I can't hear you. Usually, I think it's right. Usually, the bigger numbers have a bigger jump in between them, and the smaller numbers have a smaller jump number. And I can't really see the space on 3, 4, and 5.
So you can't really see the space between 3, 4, and 5.
But you can tell those different numbers because of the lines.
You can tell they're different numbers because of the lines.
And you just
What do we think about what Bella told us, that there's more space between our bigger numbers than between our smaller numbers? Olivia?
exactly know what because what do you mean by bigger numbers? Do you mean like higher as in 5, 6, 7, and lower as 1, 2, 3? The lower numbers, I think they have a smaller space to jump because they're lower. And 1, 2, like oh, I got it. Well, I don't think that's much of a difference because I don't really know what that means because there's still the same space between 1 and 2 and 2 and 3. There's the same exact amount of space, which is 1.
So there should be the same amount of space between our numbers. So if like when we use our blocks, we have one block. It represents one number. So if I draw my block up here, I should be able to fit a block in each space between the number. But now my numbers aren't the same distance apart, and my blocks don't line up with the numbers anymore. So I want to have the same distance between my numbers. So if I drew this so that it lined up with my blocks, I would want to draw it like that. Because Olivia's right. We have just one number in between 0 and 1. We have one number between 1 and 2. From 2 to 3, we have one number. Even if I go from 95 to 96, it's still just one number, right? So that number is still, that space on the number line will still look the same. Mo?
It looks, I can see 0, 1, and then 2,345.
Yeah, if we write our numbers really close together like this, it's hard to tell what number we mean, right?
What if it's in the thousands? You can search for a comma.
Yes, if we thought the number was in the thousands, we could look for a comma. So let's look back at our number line that looks like our pre-assessment. I start at 2 times 4. On the top line, on top of the line, I have my equation. What's going to belong on the bottom of my line? Ethan?
The answer.
The answer to my equation. So if I have 2 times 4 at the top of my line, what would I want below 2 times 4? Sky?
The answer.
What's the answer to 2 times 4?
8.
8. So if I'm not sure what my answer is, I can use these blocks